Hey guys, hope you are doing well and hope you are alive. So after this huge crash that happened on Friday evening, so that was ridiculous. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated about the fastest growing industry that we have ever seen since the internet. And as we know, this is not just a amazing technology, but also the future of finance. So, guys, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and invest or trade or stake or farm or whatever you are doing based on your research. So, guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And also join our Telegram. You find the link in the description and follow Corion platform on Twitter. So also you find it in the description. So let's share my screen. You smash those like and param. Let's see what's happening out there. We see few odds are in still in downtrend and dumping further as near Link Kusama, but we see a few of them just correcting like Atom, Shiba, Phantom, Loopring, Rose, Quant, Arweave, Luna, Shiba, yeah, Sierra, Aron, and XDC. Yeah, so Bitcoin is trading about around 35,000 US dollar. Hard to say because we are about 40, so down 18% in a week and 31% in a month. Ethereum is at 2,400, down almost 28% in a week and 40% in a month. So ridiculous. And if we are checking Ethereum down 40 in a month, Solana lost half of its value in this month, and also Avalanche almost 50%. So these are huge losses, guys. So this is a huge loss, and almost all coins in red. So, but these things happen. We know that crypto as can go high fast, then can drop fast. This is a volatile asset. That is why we like it. So our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, is at 11. This is an extreme low, extreme fear levels. Yesterday it was at 13. And if we are looking back, the index dipped on 8th of January at 10. And now after sidewaving here around 20, the index went as low as 11. And if we are looking back, that during the summer dump, the index went 4 or 5 times to 10 before started to going up into the greed zone. And guys, you know, when investors are so fearful, that's always a good buying opportunity because they are selling their assets for cheap price. And when investors are getting too greedy, that it's always due for a correction. And also there is a saying from Warren Buffett that be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So guys, let's go and also check our YouTube channel. So definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch few videos that this crypto bloodbath about Google comes. Also, Microsoft is entering the metaverse, and we have this video about how to avoid the FOMO buy. So definitely check out all the videos. Also, if you are searching here, just search for the Helium video about Helium miners, how to get Helium miners almost for free in a collaboration with iHub. So definitely check out these videos on our channel. So let's go and check our first news. So Bitcoin records all-time high network difficulty amid price fluctuations. So at least the hash rate and the mining difficulty is at all-time high, and the network will continue to grow stronger by attaining another new all-time high. Network difficulty of 26.7 trillion. Cool. So this is 180 exahash per second, signaling strong community support despite an ongoing bear market. Yeah, so the new all-time high mining difficulty of 26 trillion with an average hash rate. Okay, cool. So the difficulty, it's huge. It's huge. It's at all-time high, and also just recovered from the China Bitcoin mining ban, and then we are higher before that. Okay. Data from BTC.com estimates that the network will continue to grow stronger by attaining another all-time high in the next 12 days with a network difficulty of 26.7 trillion. Cool. So it's going up. And price always follows hash rate, but now they decoupled. So decoupled. Okay, let's get this from Maclone. He believes Bitcoin is in a unique position to outperform in an environment where stimulus reduction is usually considered negative for risk assets. McLone is an analyst at Bloomberg. Let's quote from him. Cryptos are tops among the risky and speculative. If risk assets decline, it helps the Fed's inflation fight. Becoming a global reserve asset, Bitcoin may be a primary beneficiary in that scenario. So this is the main point here. This is the takeaway. Okay, let's get this. This Polkadot news, but we will put it at the end of this session. Cool. Next piece of news is any signs of reversal in sight. Analyst Benjamin Cohen looks at state of Bitcoin after 50% crash. Definitely, guys, follow Benjamin Cohen on YouTube. He has his Invest Answers channel. Okay. Cohen says that 50,000 US is acting as pivotal price level for Bitcoin. Clearly, 30,000 is a big area as well. I don't want to say there is necessarily an absolute floor, because if you do and it goes below, then you have to make a new floor. But I would say there's probably certainly probabilities associated with the various levels holding. And obviously, the further down we go, the more likely it is we are going to hold that price. 30,000 is certainly an area of interest in the event of a cascade down. I don't want to scare anyone, but I also don't want to say it is impossible then we go below 30,000, because we could. We went below 30,000 in the summer. We went below 30,000 in January last year. Okay. His full-on worst-case scenario would put Bitcoin at around 20,000 US dollars. Okay, let's get this. It could get worse before it gets better. You look at the weekly RSI and it's pretty low, but it could also go lower. I don't know to sound like it can go lower. We are about as low as we were in March 2020, but for us to get as low as we were in March 2020, we would actually need to sustain this trend for a few more weeks, I believe. To get back to where we were back in the end of 2018, we might need to see the price action stay more or less like it is slow bleed. That could still play out over the next couple of months, and so that's why I said before, I think that Q1 is going to remain bearish. Okay. When the market is bearish, that really is when you really want to be getting into the market. Bull markets make you money and bear markets make you rich. So guys, let us making rich and buy these lows and even buy more if dipping further. So next piece of news is crypto trader who nailed Bitcoin bottom in 2018 unveils bullish BTC price trajectory for 2022, but there is a catch. Okay, back in December, this post was mostly Tangier in check, but was still always at the back of my mind. Now it seems more the realm of possibility. And the point being, there is a really large range that BTC can still fall and remain macro bullish on a long enough timeline survive. Okay, so we are in this box. Also, I talked about in the last video that this is a kind of consolidation and sideways movement. It's not a bear yet, but this is a short-term bear market. But in a cycle comparison, it's not a bear. It's a sideways movement and can still go lower and bouncing there. And yes, so that happened in 2005, almost the same, and then it's going higher. Okay, fine. For the loose, I'm calling a bottom at exactly 25,800 with a 1,000 leeway on either side. Okay. Back in 2018, smart contractor made BTC bottom months before the flagship crypto asset broke below the crucial at 6,000. I'm calling a bottom at exactly 3,200 with a $200 leeway on either side. Yes, and that came true. So will Bitcoin to go exactly to 25,000 US dollar levels? I don't know, but we should be prepared. If it will go down those levels, then also it is better to have some cash or stable coins at the side to buy those dips, because as already Benjamin Cohen said, the huge money is made in bear markets, and now we are in a shorter time frame in the bear market. Bitcoin supply shock: only 12% of BTC supply is on exchanges now. Okay, that sounds pretty ridiculous. Let's check the chart. And now here is a chart that shows the trend is in the value of this metric over the past few years. Guys, I cannot make this bigger, but maybe I will try here. Make it bigger. Okay. So, yes. So the blue is the Bitcoin price and the red is the Bitcoin supply hold on exchanges. BTC percentage of total supply on exchanges at all-time high was in December 2019 and also during the March COVID crash in 2020, and it's going down from almost 16% to 12%, and this is the lowest level since 2018, almost 2018 February. Cool. Indicators last all-time high was made at around 16. Yes, came down 4%. Bitcoin price, yes, it's not valid anymore. This news came out before the huge dump, but it's still important to notice that the BTC supply on exchanges is going down. So next piece of news is Bitcoin records all-time high network difficulty amid price fluctuation. Okay, so we already got this news. I don't know how we came here. So, okay, next piece of news is cool. World largest asset manager BlackRock files for blockchain tech ETF. Okay. So let's get this. They filed this, was initiated on December 31st. BlackRock ETFs filing investment objective says the iShare blockchain and tech ETF seeks to track the investment results of any index composed of US and non-US companies that are involved in the development, innovation, and utilization of blockchain and crypto technologies. So guys, this is huge. BlackRock is managing a couple of, the investment firm with 10 trillion in asset under management. 10 trillion US dollar that they are managing. And they are investing in crypto. So that will pour some money into crypto startups as well. And also mining companies and other crypto exchanges and crypto projects. Next piece of news is Ethereum 2.0 contract surpasses 9 million Ethereum worth 28 billion US dollar, and it's still increasing and going up. It's going up. The amount of Ethereum logged into the contract has increased almost 22.3% since the first week of September. So 22.3% increase since September. Okay, 9 million Ether. Cool. Ridiculous. It's huge. It's huge, guys. Okay. Yeah, so the minimum amount to put in 32%, but there are some providers that you can look up less amounts also. You can stake Ethereum on Binance and on major exchanges. Okay. Between the Ethereum 2.0 contract and the burned Ethereum since the introduction of EIP 1559, the value equates of 34 billion in value at the time of writing. Also, you can go to Ultra Sun Money website and check the amounts of Ethereum that has been burned. Let's check from the beginning. 1.6 Ethereum has been burned, and this is huge amount. Okay, and these are the main gas consumer applications: stablecoins, OpenSea, Uniswap. Cool. Let's go to our next news. And Parachain introduces Dogecoin support. Dogecoin is fully supported on a decentralized finance platform. So then DeFi is coming to Dogecoin. Okay, full support and integration for Dogecoin. Doge holders will now be able to earn yield on their Doge as well as swap it for another native coins like Bitcoin. The positive news follows a wide ride for the Torchain network. So guys, let's go and check out Torchain. Also, Wonderland is a wonderful project that we like. Okay, Torchain Rune. Yes, so Torchain Rune is a really volatile asset, but now at these deep levels, I think this is a bargain. So that was the same low in the summer crash. So if you ask me if buy these assets in these highs or buy these assets these yearly lows, that I would say I would buy these at these yearly lows. I would buy these assets at yearly lows, guys. This is insane low, insane low. Cool and good projects. It's cross-chain DeFi. Next piece of news is 3 possible reasons why Polkadot is playing second fiddle in the L1 race. The timing of Parachain auction and the lack of interoperability with Ethereum may have impacted Polkadot's token price and its competitiveness against other Layer 1 protocols. Cool. Okay, coming of age, layer 1 blockchain protocols because of the growth of DeFi and NFTs. It skyrocketed. Protocols like Phantom, Avalanche, Cosmos saw their token values rise and ecosystem flourished, and 2021 came to a close. Meanwhile, popular projects like Polkadot underperformed, comparably speaking, despite the highest expectation many had for the shared multi-chain protocol. Let's make this bigger. So this is Phantom, the blue one. The yellow is ADA, but Cardano blockchain is still not working. If I'm getting some news on Sunday swap, all the transactions stuck. And Atom and Dot. So Dot is really underperformed. Interoperability is a key factor, and also interoperable with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and other blockchains and cross-chain bridges. Polkadot was specifically designed to offer multi-chain support as layer 0 meta protocol. There was no major release of a bridge that connected Polkadot with Ethereum in 2021, and this left the protocol unloved by crypto traders looking to engage with DeFi and NFTs. Okay, the late launch of Parachain options, yeah, so that was launched. Moonbeam and Moonriver was launched last year. Ethereum compatible smart contract Parachain secured the first lot. Dot saw in price to new all-time high at 55 on November 4th, and those interested in contributing to the Parachain auction secured their tokens, but by the time the auction had officially started, its price was already on the downslope toward a low of 23 US dollar on January. 1 million transactions on Polkadot with Moonbeam, that's huge. The benefits of holding DOT, you can stake in this parachain for sure. Okay, they are coming to Matic, and multiply layer 1 solutions are launching developer and liquidity incentive programs and up and coming DeFi protocols. And still offering high yield staking opportunities. Currently, DOT offers only just 14% APR on staking. Okay, so we'll see if Polkadot will catch up to the other layer ones. Definitely interested. So Binance to establish a crypto exchange in Thailand, report says. And they will establish a crypto exchange. Thailand is developing further. We are supportive of the sustainable growth of the blockchain industry globally, and we are constantly looking at business opportunities in every country. So I think the global Binance is there, but this is that they want to focus on especially. Guys, we have these funny GIFs and memes here to help you hodl better and not throwing your coins. So you can use all this and you can send it to chats or whatever you want. So I like this. You can copy the links. So use this for your fun. So guys, let's go and check our PRX chart and what Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, so this is the weekly chart, so not looking good. One of the biggest weekly red candle since May. And yeah, but on a macro level, still, this is just a sideways movement and not a huge bear. But on a short-term time frame, it's bearish and still in downtrend. So if I'm putting here a trend line, that we are still in downtrend. Still in downtrend. So guys, I expect Bitcoin coming back to the trend line. If Bitcoin will come back and to close this trend line, I would consider set up a short position, but with a tight stop loss here. but these are really low levels, so it should come back to the trend line somehow. Cool. So let's check Bitcoin on other charts. Yeah, so still in the downtrend. We lost 35,000 and now we are traded about around 35,000. The next level to watch is 32 and 30,000 US dollar levels. So I hope I will not go to those lows, but be ready. There is more chance to go and go back to the trend line. We'll see. Yeah, so all other coins are in deep drop, especially also ADA is down. So ADA tries to break out from this W pattern, but broke down here as all the major arts. It also broke down to these lower low here, so then we have a lower low, not looking good. Cool. Let's check what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum dipped really low, went as low as 2,330, and so that's not good. Ethereum went lower than it was in October, so now reached those levels, but we are a little bit far away when it was in July at 1,800 US dollar. So let's check Phantom. We like Phantom and Phantom. Yeah, so Phantom corrected a little bit. And these 1.8 hold the price and now started to go back with this nice juicy 12% gains today. Link still going down. It's not looking good. That dipping so low. Link was really in the nice long upward movement, but broke down and then it's dipping here. Cool, guys. So if you like, just go and buy some odds, but with the state of mind that they can go lower. And also here is Torchain, Rune Torchain. So we already checked that Torchain is at the lowest level, so I would buy some Torchain here. So guys, let's go and check our farms. Let's go CorionX before that and join our Telegram channel. We are posting here different news and videos, educational videos, and step-by-step guides, and check out all our videos. And also, let's go and check out our farms. We have our farms on the ERC20 version of CorionX. It's paying 330% APR. Oh, wow. 330% APR. Guys, this is huge. So you can provide liquidity on Uniswap and lock up your BIP tokens on the farm. And if you like, also you can go to Binance Smart Chain. If you are holding a BSC version of CorionX, then you can come and earn up to 120% APR. But also we will adjust and just making it 200 or 300% for sure. So guys, this is for now. Smash those like, push the bell, notification, share this video with your friends, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.